Fertilizer is essential in growing plants in containers. Typically, the soilless potting soil mixture that we use has very little nutrients in it. So there are many different types of fertilizer options. But fertilizer is going to provide the food that the plant needs to be vigorous and healthy for a long period of time. So fertilizer comes in many different forms. I have here a slow release fertilizer that can be added at the time of planting. You can also use a liquid fertilizer such as Peters or Miracle-Gro. Both of those can be added on a weekly basis to your container gardens and will provide nutrients very rapidly to your plants. So fertilizer is essential to good plant health, and we definitely recommend using it when you're planting your container garden.